Hey y'all, I'm back with another tutorial. So I lost my concealer for this part of the video, so I'm blending out the P. Louise base around my eyebrows. So I'm just blending. Now I'm putting the P. Louise base on my eyelids and blending it out, especially around the perimeter of my eye, so it's seamless. I put a red shade and now I'm blending it out with an orange color around the edges. After I blend out the orange a little bit with the same brush, and I begin to pack on a yellow color, which you'll see about now. Yeah, packing on a yellow color and blending it out. So I'm blending all of those colors together. And now I'm starting on my cut crease. Because I have hooded eyes, I start with that dot to know where I should start my crease. And then I just start carving it out with my flat brush and filling in the space that I want. Next, I'm packing on that blue color. I actually used 2 shades for this because this first one wasn't dark enough. And now I'm taking a darker blue shade and packing that on somewhere from the middle to the end of my eye, just to make a seamless transition to the next color that I'm gonna use. So the next color I began to pack on is a purple. So it gives that nice dark hue. So it kind of makes the transition color in the middle look like a dark blue, like a darker blue than it is. And I just keep packing that on and blending. Now for the glitter. So I'm using my NYX glitter primer and I'm packing on both a blue shade and a purple shade to mimic the hues on my eyes. And I'm just following the line of my cut crease to pack that glitter primer and glitter on. So I take it all the way to the end, almost to kind of create like a winged look, but not super dramatic. And I'm ending it off with the purple glitter to, again, mimic the hues on my eyes. Now I'm taking a shade from my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It's like an iridescent color for my tear ducts, just to kind of open up my eyes a little bit. And I'm just packing that on. Next, I'm going to start by putting primer on my face, rubbing that in a little bit. And then I'm gonna grab my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm starting to just dot that all over my face and then blend it out. And that pretty much really like ends the whole look. I just go in with my concealer after this and, you know, just finish up my face. But as for the eye look, that is it. I popped on some lashes and then the finished look. And then I had some fun like creating a little photo shoot for myself afterwards, but that's it.